Okay, hello and welcome back to the second installment of TylerMakes. This is my YouTube series about the process of making video games as well as a variety of other things. As you may have noticed, as I did, because I just checked it, it's been a month since my last video. That's unacceptable. I want to have this be a regular thing, preferably weekly, maybe bi-weekly, because I don't want to spend too much time on it. I spent a lot of time editing that previous video. I hope that as I do more talking in front of a camera, I get better at it, and therefore I don't have to take a lot of takes. If I don't have to do multiple takes, it means a lot less editing, and it means these get out quicker with less time. I did film a video a few weeks ago, but unfortunately it takes too much time to edit and I've been out of town, so I figured I would just do one now and then get back into the swing of things. A ton of interesting stuff has happened. I'm probably gonna intersperse some shots, maybe do some Ken Burns effects on some images here now. I went and checked out Building Museum. They had an exhibit there. It was called The Beach, a stark white beach with clear balls like those balls that you get in a ball pit at like McDonald's. It was the first time as an adult I got to go in a ball pit. It was a lot of fun. And then I went to Minnesota to see my girlfriend's family and meet all of them, and had a great time hiking, staying in a pool lodge, going to the fair. I won that Kenny at the fair. It's pretty great. We ate many terrible and delicious things, so that was pretty awesome. And follow that up with going to a beautiful wedding, then a stay at a treehouse, which was also pretty amazing. All that to say I've had a very busy month, but in that time I have gotten some things done, so that's good. Hopefully I'm a little more consistent now that there are fewer events. We'll see. We're heading into winter, of course. That means Thanksgiving, Christmas, etc. But let's get to the stuff that I have done. I created my website, which is up now. You can check it out at TylerMakes.com. I love when people do like a thing like this and it just says the title. Hopefully I did that. Check that out. What I'll be doing is posting these videos as well as other things that I make, as well as highlights from my Twitch stream, which I will get to in a moment. And I started a Twitter account. Follow me on there. I'll post when I'm streaming, as well as new videos like this one and anything else that I make. Let's talk about streaming. A big portion of what I want to do involves Twitch streaming, and I don't want to share all the details yet, but let's just say that Twitch will be a component. And as such, I've decided to do some experiments with Twitch along the way. So while I'm learning other systems and stuff, I'm also learning how to Twitch stream and when the right times to stream are. So I've begun doing that. Thursdays, I'm streaming a game. I'm just playing a game, but I'm going to try to focus my discussions in a game about design and design choices and what works and what doesn't, what makes a game good or bad. One of the things that makes you better at designing something is taking a critical look at things that have come before. As you'll see from the highlight, I will also try to have some fun. It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. I'm sure I heard something. You can look forward to that on Thursdays. And then on Friday, I am building a game on Twitch. I'm going to build a game from start to finish. And I think it would be great to have not the simple tutorials that you see everywhere, but a cohesive, whole, complete game. So I've started on that, and I plan on taking those broadcasts and putting them on YouTube as well. But for right now, if it's not on YouTube, go check it out on Twitch. So what will be most often on my Twitch channel is what's on the screen here behind me. It's a way for me to test interactions with the chat. I want to see users who are watching the stream interact. And so I built this initial experiment where you can send a location and a color and change what's on the grid. It starts out randomized, and then if you got a bunch of people on it, they could all conspire together to make some picture. So if you want to play around with that, check out my Twitch stream. There will be that experiment as well as others. I'm just going to keep making little experiments to hopefully entice people to check out my stream on occasion and just to play around with them. That's it. I hope to get a lot more done in the next few weeks and stay a little more focused, and I hope that you'll come along for the ride. Bye. This last little bit is going to be the part that I'm going to have to re-edit. Hopefully I didn't say everything 10 times.